In today's video, we'll be talking about enums. So enums are user-defined data types which have multiple values. So let's understand how can we define enum and how can we use it in Rust. So we can say enum and the name of our enum. For now, let's say we want to define as fruit, and since it's a data type which can be used anywhere in our program, so we define it globally, not inside any method. So we give it our values. So we say apple, banana, grab, and now let's use it. So in some method, let's say main, here we say let current fruit, and then we can say fruit, apple, and then let's say how can we use it. So we say match current fruit, and let's use it in pattern matching, and we can say apple. So we can print an apple, and then same for, we say banana, print banana, fruit, grapes. So this is how our enum can be used in pattern matching, and this is how we define it globally because we can use it anywhere in the program, and this is how we can assign it. Now let's compile it, main.rs, and then we run it. It gives us an apple because we are using an apple. Now another interesting fact is that in enums you can also have a variant containing its own type. Now let's say we want to define grep variant with uh, integer 32 type. Okay, so but we can say unsigned 32. So greps are always positive and we'll say unsigned 32. So whenever we want to use it, we have to use it with the value. So let's say we define certain value, and then we print total grabs, and then we can say our value, which is total quantity of the grabs. Now currently if we run, because we are just using apple, or maybe let's use banana as well, so it will just work as it is. C man.rs man. So it says a banana. Let's clear it, and now let's say if we want to use grab, then we have to pass the value as well. So let's say we pass 50, and now we run it. It gives us total grabs 50. So this is how enums work in Rust. We can also define specific data types for a variant, and we can also have all the variants as a value of our enum. So this is how enum works in Rust. I'll catch you guys in another video. Until then, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.